closing speaker, kasi para magpas na tayo sa oras, no? Our closing speaker is Ms. Beth Villanueva.
Okay, overtime na tayo. First of all, I'm Beth Villanueva. I've been 9 years in the company. I joined Relay 2017. Si Aubrey yung aking sponsor. So, after hearing all those stories and sharing, is the company good?
Yes.
For the new ones? Is it good? Yes. Kasi we are selling our stories here. Kung ano yung nangyari sa atin, nung minum tayo ng product, when we do our business. So, ang company ay may puso. Hindi natin sasabihin na wala tayong pera, no. We can make it happen to us. Kasi kung sila nga nagawa nila, tayo kaya rin natin. Right? So, yung positive mindset nandyan lagi. So, we start from kung ano yung kailangan natin. Is it to regain back our health? Kagaya ni Ma'am, I think regaining back your health. Right? Kasi it follows mission first, commission follows, right? Kasi kung ano yung nangyari sa atin by taking pure placenta, yun din yung magiging selling point natin. Yun ang isi-share natin. Kasi nga sabi nga, before maging you will be user first before pusher. Maging
User.
Di ba? Yun eh. User ka muna ng product. Then share it kung sino yung mga kakilala nyo. At ang maganda rito, yung ating company, we are not selling product. What we are selling is international business franchise. Right? Nakabundle lang yung product. So, di ba maganda na magkaroon tayo parang nagkakaroon tayo ng branch sa ibang bansa. For me, kagaya ko sa US, meron akong mga business partner doon na nagmamarket ng product, nagtitake ng product. So, lumalaki yung income. At ang company ay 100% nakasupport sa atin. Naandyan na lahat. Wala na tayong hahanapin pa. Ang training nandyan. Ang mga apply natin naandyan to support us. Naandyan sila para ituro natin kung paano ipe-present yung product. Yung marketing plan kung paano tayo kikita. Sa ngayon siguro hindi nyo maintindihan kung paano ang kitaan. Pero while you do the business, unti-unti, maiintindihan nyo. At saka nasa nasa portal na natin. Automatic na yun. Papasok yung income mo. Na hindi ka loko or what kasi pre-computed na siya, nakaprogram na sa kanya. So, with that, I'm sure kayong lahat mag-join sa company sana. I hope you will join the company and enjoy the benefits of Pure Placenta. Kasi maraming mga food supplement dito sa atin. Pero only oral stem cell, only stem cell lang makapag-regenerate ng mga new cells sa katawan natin. Kaya ang effect niyan ay inside out. Holistic approach yung effect niya. Kaya with 180,500, very affordable siya.
Yes.
Right? So with that, see you on April 1 on LRN. Kung meron kayong mga friends na gusto nyong i-introduce yung product, dalhin nyo lang sila dito every Thursday. Diyan yung makikita from all walks of life. Lahat ng profession, kahit hindi ka nakatapos, kahit doktor, kahit general manager nandyan. We are all on the same grounds, on the same level. We can start here. And we earn in Singapore dollar. Diba? Hindi na masama, diba?
Yes.
Okay. With that, I welcome you to Relay International and thank you.